everyone. Today we are going to be working on Fifer because it's going to be Fifer's birthday this week, and I've just wet her hair down and it was a bit tangly, so what I did was I went through it. I bought this brush. It's for a dog, for getting tangles out of a dog. I don't know if you like that, and I've got it, I just got it, and I been using it just to brush the tangles out, and you know, it worked really well. I was really pleased with it, and it's not doing that usual thing where it all bunches up, so that's working very well on her hair. So I'm just going to keep going through it until I've got it all nice and soft and it's laying nicely. And all I've done is just sprayed it with a little bit of water, and I'm sorry about my voice, I seem to have come down with a cold or something. So I'm just going to go through that hair, and then once I've done that, which has got it working quite nice, I'm going to just trim off all these long bits here at the bottom. And you see those long bits, so I just get all those trimmed off, and then I will come back. So today Fifer isn't that dirty, and usually what I do to clean them, my dolls, is I would use a magic eraser. But I've been told that these wet wipes, and they're not the very thin ones, they're like a little bit more like sort of fabric to it. This is actually Huggies ones, but I think any ones which are like this sort of make the sort of thicker ones work really well on the dolls. So I'm just going to give them a go, and I'm going to give her a clean all over and see if it comes off as good as it does with the magic eraser. Already there's quite a bit of dirt coming off onto the cloth. So what I do with my dolls usually is I will, once a month, I will choose one doll, and it's going to be Fifer's birthday this month, so that's why I've chosen Fifer. Her birthday is on the 30th. So, and then I just take that one particular doll and work with her all month, make her an outfit, clean her, wash her off, do her hair, make her look really nice. Obviously sometimes you do have to do more than one doll in a month, especially if they get dirt or something on them. But I just like once every year to go and do a proper clean on the dolls and make sure they've all come up nice and clean, because if you've got children and they're handling them, it's very difficult to keep them clean and not to scratch. So that's what I'm just going to be doing here. So I'll carry on just giving her a clean all over. My Welly Wisher dolls don't have closing eyes, so you don't have to be too careful around their eyes, but you don't really want to get them soaking wet. You can just give them a little wipe off. Okay, so this isn't a Welly Wisher, sorry, this is a glitter girl, but it's the same sort of doll as a Welly Wisher. They're 14 inches, and I do this, and I should just give her a real good clean all over. Now Fifer does have a mark on her arm here, which I have been trying to get off with some Oxy-10, but it's not really coming off. But I shall keep going at it and like put a little bit on at a time and keep going at it. Hopefully it'll come off eventually. But clean her body all over, and make sure she's nice and clean. And you can definitely feel a difference once you've cleaned them, because their skin doesn't feel that sort of oily residue you get from children's hands, or sticky or whatever. Obviously if the baby was to get out of it and get it dirty, then you would have to clean them more often. One place I always try to make sure I give a good clean is the back of the heels of the dolls. There we go. So she's almost done. There we go. So that's her, she's almost done, and then we're going to work on doing her hair. Okay. So this is Fifer's original outfit that she came in, but she didn't come with any shoes. I got her from a charity shop, so she has a lovely little skirt, a little jacket and a little t-shirt. She didn't have any pants, so hopefully she'll make her some pants as well. And then I'm just going to go now and do her hair so that we've got her in a nice hairstyle to start the month off. So I'm just going to go through the hair, and I'm just taking a small piece from the front here. Okay, so it's just this piece here, like that. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, and then all we're going to do is we're going to roll it and twist it. So we've got a nice twist of hair. I'm just going to twist it around. I just want to make sure I've got it into about the length I want. That's about it. And I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to just bring it here, so I've got just a very small piece coming down, and I want to sort of put it in about there. And I've got one of these little clips. Okay, and I'm just going to pop that into her hair. There we go. Okay, and that should hold that nicely. Sorry, I didn't put it in. Didn't go into her. That's it. And that should hold that nicely in there. And then we will take another piece of hair from the front. Okay. So just pull that back about the same amount again. Just run the comb down through it. And we are going to do the same again, but we're going to bring it down slightly lower. Okay, so just twirl it around. Just like that. Sorry about that door. I don't know, somebody's obviously left the back door open, I think. Bring it around, and we're going to pop it just down underneath, okay? Grab another one of those, get it in and tuck it under. Oops, I haven't quite got that one under, and tuck it under. There you go. And there she is. So it's quite a very simple style, and it'll just hang like that, and it looks really pretty. And what we're going to do is keep this in for a little while, but we'll probably do a different style for her birthday party. And this is how she looks from the front. I think it really suits her. There you go. So that is our hairstyle for Fifer for this month. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to carry on and make a few more things for Fifer over the month, and then we'll have her party at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.